Big up Chef Ricardo. I want some jerk chicken, rice and peas. Like what?
Fry plantain.
Fry plantain, anything. Everything this man cooks nice, everything.
So
big up.
Yeah. Did you check out my Instagram?
Yeah, check out his Instagram at Chef Ricardo Cooking.
Facebook.
Chef Ricardo Cooking.
Yeah.
Big up this man. Good, best chef in the whole world.
Respect. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you lovely recipes and ideas and things what you like to make at home. Anyway, requested jerk chicken. You know what I mean? Someone was talking about Chef Ricardo wants some jerk chicken, want to see, but I say, you know, I have a lot of jerk recipe on my YouTube channel, but Chef Ricardo always updating, giving you simple recipes and simple ideas and how you can do some things at home. Anyway, I got 3 nice lovely pieces of a chicken leg and thigh right here. Basically, I remove the skin from the chicken, wash it off with some lemon juice, clean it up, remove some of the fat. But all I want you to do today is to make a simple oven baked chicken. That's, you know, I mean, the fans who request it, they can make it at home also. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The first thing I want to say to you guys, preheat your oven first. Turn on your oven. But if you know you want to marinate your chicken and leave it for the next day and cook it the next day, there's no problem. Alright? But I'm going to cook mine today. So enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe. Give me a like. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Today's recipe is oven. The best oven jerk chicken, spicy up nicely and lovely. And I'm gonna make it so simple that you can do it at home. Nice and lovely. So basically, 3 lovely pieces of chicken thigh. As you can see, I remove the skin and also take out the liver bit, remove some of the fat. But I'm gonna marinate it to show you guys the first thing what you need to do when you're gonna marinate. If you're a student, you know what I mean, like how you're going back to school now and some of the kids are boarding school and all these things, and they want to do a little jerk chicken with their friend, or if you're at home and you want to do a little bit of jerk chicken, I'm gonna show them how they can make this one also. Very easy and simple. Alright? If it doesn't have one of these things, this is a garlic crusher. What you do, you put the garlic inside of it just like this, cover it down and squeeze out the garlic. If it doesn't have one, you can always get one to buy on Chef Ricardo website. Go to chefricardo.co.uk and purchase one, and we get that to you. So you're gonna squeeze out the garlic on the chicken like this. Alright guys, that's one of the main things, and I'm gonna just simply show you. That's the garlic. And second thing, I'm gonna put another clove of garlic inside of it. So I'm just gonna make this one very simple and easy. So once you put on the garlic like this, that's the first thing what you want to do, is to get your garlic. Alright? So that's the garlic right there. Then second thing is you're going to be using a gloves and marinate the garlic on the chicken like this. I'm gonna give you a secret. Alright, hold on the first, probably a little bit a liquid in it, but that's fine. So what you want to do, you want to marinate up the garlic and the chicken like this. That's the first thing what you want to do. And I'm gonna just get rid of these gloves. Alright, after you do that, then what we're going to do next is put on some ginger powder. This is some ginger powder. Alright, little bit of ginger powder. Second thing, we're gonna put on some chicken season. We're gonna put on a little bit of chicken season. Alright, just remove around the chicken and sprinkle it on it like this. Alright, just a little bit of chicken season. This one is some Cajun season. use with it, you know what I mean? This is my favorite season when I'm gonna use the Jamaican Valley season also. Alright, this is some chicken season, Cajun season. Then second thing, we have some paprika, what we're going to be using on it. Alright. Say, if you are a student and you want to learn how to cook Jamaican jerk chicken in an easier way, because you might have said, oh, no one doesn't even show me how to cook Jamaican jerk chicken. Alright, here it is. And I'm going to give you a very simple recipe. Crack some pepper on it. We got a little bit of dry basil right here, or mixed herb, whatever you have, you can use. These things is really good to work with. Mixed herb, basils, and all, parsley and all them things there. Alright? We got some dry chili. There's a few dry chili. If you doesn't got this thing, this is some pimento seed. Don't stress yourself, you don't need to use it. And just because I have it and I've been using it. I'm gonna just put a few seeds, not too much. Alright guys, nice one. So, second thing is this is the most important thing, is the jerk season. So if you want to get your jerk season, it's good for you to go to one, like, you know what I mean, a big supermarket, go inside of it and, you know, order your jerk season. Can't go wrong. Or you can make your one at home if you want to, you know what I mean, but I just making life a little bit more easier for some of my fans then. Alright? So basically, we're going to be using roughly about half teaspoon because it's really spicy. If you want your jerk chicken to be really spicy, you have to put roughly about a teaspoon. So I'm using about half teaspoon at the moment. Nice one. So once you do that, all you're going to do next is put on another gloves. Make sure you have gloves because it's very important. And you're just gonna simple marinate. But before we even go there, what we're going to do, you don't, some people doesn't put oil on the chicken, you know what I mean, but if you want, you can put a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil on the chicken. That's what I normally do most time when I'm marinating my chicken. So what we're going to do now, we're going to just rub it up like this. Alright? And not only that, if you want your chicken to stay till the next day, all you have to do is simple. Marinate it just like you see what I'm doing right here and leave it for the next day. It's still gonna taste lovely and nice. Alright guys? So don't stress yourself. I wonder, oh my god, what I'm gonna do now? You know what I mean? If it doesn't have certain ingredients, once the chicken looking lovely like this, you are good to go. You saw that look nice? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? So now, I just marinate the chicken. If you have some fresh thyme, you can use some fresh thyme. So I have some spring onion. And I'm gonna simple cut up this little spring onion. Nothing wrong, you can blend up your natural season and make your jerk sauce if you want. But if you're a person who working, you know what I mean, 9 to 5, working hard, studying, you know what I mean, at college, university and all these things, you doesn't have time for that. So that's where Chef Ricardo come in and have to fill all those gaps. Then we have your favorite, white onion. Everyone know this one, white onion. And I'm just gonna simply cut up it a little bit small. You can cut it your way how you wanna cut it. You don't have to put carrot, but that's Chef Ricardo always using carrot in his chicken, you know what I mean, when I'm doing my chicken. So I'm just gonna put half of a carrot inside of it, or a medium-sized carrot. Alright guys, so that looking good so far. And what I'm gonna do now is just simple. Rub up a little bit of rest of season on it like this. Alright? Remember, we got jerk season, chicken season. Use your favorite season, Cajun season. We got ginger, we got We got mixed herb, or you can use basil, whatever you want, paprika, chili, black pepper, pimento seed, olive oil, garlic, white onion, and spring onion and carrot. Use what you have, guys. Still will come out nice and lovely same way. Don't stress yourself. Alright. Second thing what you need to do is get an oven tray like this one and place that beautiful chicken on it like this. And like this. And like this. Alright? Then what you're gonna do is just simple. Put the rest of the ingredients in between. Don't too stress yourself, as I say. And like this, and like this, and like this. Alright? That looking good. So that look nice? Yeah, that looking so lovely and nice, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. And nice and lovely. Everything I fall over. So you go. Went into the kitchen. That looking really nice. So this is the chicken right here, and all I'm going to do now is place this in the oven for roughly about 30 to 40 minutes and make it get that nice lovely cooking color. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We love you, and this is the way all my chicken look. We're gonna do it in the oven for some fans who requesting this recipe. Simple jerk chicken in the oven, and you can enjoy a nice lovely dinner. This can be served with some rice and peas, plain rice, coconut rice, vegetable rice, you name it, right straight down. Enjoy it from Chef Ricardo. Nice, I love it, guys. So look at this. This just come from the oven. Oh my God. Excited. You're looking lovely and nice, and I know you guys definitely will like this one. As I can see, 35 to 40 minutes in the oven. Once you take it out, just look at it like this. This is so lovely and nice. What I'm going to do is transfer it into a plate, and let's see how it looks. Alright, guys, enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Nice one. So as I can see, I just place it on my board right here, and that looking lovely and nice. All I'm going to do is simple. Put a few garnish on top of it, bringing a lovely flavor. Look at this. Alright, guys, and that looking so lovely and nice. Not only that, also you can simple just garnish it around. And that's looking so lovely and nice. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a few more recipes coming as we goes by. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show, and as you can see, that looking lovely and nice. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from for you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.